What is up, boys? Today we are on another trade recap video. And first of all, doesn't that look insane? I just never turned that on in the dark. It looks so good on camera. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna probably block it with my face though, but it's fine. Pretty quick trade recap today, but we have some things to go over. So let's start like this. Okay, so this was the trade of the day. Market open, this red line. We had a very big fair value gap right over here. Missed draw of liquidity. We didn't sweep anything, except we, took out these lows by this low. That's all we kind of did. We had this bullish SMT. If we look on ES, we can see that these highs, they are like this is a lower low, but then on MMQ, which is the micro Nasdaq, we made a higher low, which shows us that it is an SMT. After that, we had this 1 minute inverse fair value gap, and what I should have done is that I should have entered off of this right here. Target these highs. I'm pretty sure we're at all-time highs right now, but target these highs and then stop loss at SMT. So this was the ideal trade, and it would have hit. It would have hit. But I was in class at that time, and I didn't have my phone out, so I missed that trade. So that was the ideal trade. But then we had another setup, which it would have hit. It would have hit. It literally would have hit. It was a break in between classes. We had a 10-minute period. So I waited for this break of structure to happen. And after that, I just entered. And we were kind of... We were very, like, some very bad price action. Like, as soon as I enter, we have all of these, like, 4 or 3 candles. They just have massive wicks and then small bodies, which I didn't like. But then we went a little down, and bro, oh my days. Oh gosh, I'm getting a Telegram message. Bro, I got wicked out. I got wicked out by a Trump tweet. A Trump tweet. Alright, so basically what it was the tweet about the removing of the sea mines in the Strait of Hormuz. I hope y'all are up with the news and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so as soon as that got released, we had this wick. It stopped me out, and unfortunately, we're down $144, and our account balance is 49,800. However, I'm completely fine with that. By the way, let me do this so it's a bit bigger for y'all. I'm fine with that because you know why? Because we're gonna make it back. And 2 weeks of my funded have passed today. If I don't pass the eval in 2 weeks, I'm cooked. So I gotta be making trades that make me 1K. So that transfers to the point that my risk has to be higher, and I just have to play the aggressive game. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be aiming for at least $1,000 per trade, and like a 300, 400, $500 stop loss. I still don't know how to exactly calculate that, but I'll try. And yeah, that's basically the trade for today, boys. It would have hit, got wicked out. By the way, I'm not sure. What if this gotten me out? Like, it hit. Like, wait. Okay, yeah, it would have. It really, it would have. It's like, it's one tick. one tick would have gotten me out. That would have been worse. I'm honestly happy that I got wigged out like this than getting wigged out by this candle, bro. Because getting wigged out by this candle would have been even worse, I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, that's it for today, boys. Thanks to Daylo Trading for responding to me on Instagram. Second time already. First time, he replied to me. Why is the screen so like that? First time he replied to me when I replied to one of his stories. After that, he replied today with a heart on my message. Bro, it's still way too bright. He replied with a heart when I said I opened the charts on the break of structure after entry. Because he entered the trade I showed y'all, the one that was ideal. I was in class, I couldn't get my phone, but it's alright. We make mistakes, we learn, and let's go! That's some real shit. Everybody makes mistakes, bro. Even me. Like, I went to the gym today as well. I woke up at 8. Honestly, I should have woken up at 7 and went at 8. But yeah, Friday night, I'ma just probably read, then go to sleep early. You know, best thing to do, guys. Best thing to do on the weekends is to train discipline. So that's what y'all should be doing. Train discipline on the weekends. Don't try to make the weekends a break. You should never have breaks. Because if y'all have a break, just remember I'm always one day ahead. Yeah, you can have a break. I'll be one day ahead. That's the thing. That's the thing. I'm not saying my discipline is perfect. Yeah, surely not. But I'm training it. I'm training it. What is press action even doing right now? Guys, we're at all-time highs. We're officially at all-time highs. The last highs this high were October 25. Ever since then, we've never been higher. We're at all-time highs. And bro, these past few weeks have been very, very, very good and very, very bullish. And I have an achievement. Even though I had school, every single day of the week I managed to get on market open. 3 times I did that because my school ended like 20 minutes before market open. But 2 times I had to get on my phone in class because I gotta. Dad, I'm sorry if you're watching this, by the way. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, yesterday was a very undisciplined, gambling, you can say, day for me. Because I copy traded TJR, and he is 7-1 on the month. And the only one day he loses his trade, I copy trade him. Just keep that in mind. The only one day out of this whole month that I copy trade him, he loses. And that was like a week ago. But then yesterday I also copy traded him, which first of all, it was super bad. I took a short because he took a short, but then after that I got stopped out, of course. After that I took another short. So as you can see here, I lost 250 bucks. I'm highlighting it. I hope y'all can see. So yeah, I lost 250 bucks. Then I made that back with a few buckaroos on top. And then today, -3. This was commissions and fees, but I don't know why, but I counted it up and this should have been a profitable one. But it's fine. And then this was the trade I showed y'all. It was really unfortunate. Thankfully, I didn't get wicked out by the wick I showed y'all. but it's fine. It's really fine. It's my first ever eval. I'm definitely gonna get one in the summer as well. I'm definitely, because then I'll get on Market Open every single day. Let's go. I'll get on the Market Open every single day. Grind the hell out of the summer, bro. I promise you, bro. If you're watching this, future me, if you're watching this, you better pass an eval before the summer ends. It was my yearly goal to pass an eval before 2027. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I can pass the eval before the summer ends. So yeah, grind, stay disciplined on the weekends, and yeah, that's about it, boys. Thank you so much for watching, and see y'all next